Hello and welcome to Wise First. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of multi-prompts in Midjourney to explore what multi-prompts are, why creators use them, and when they can be a game changer. So fasten your seatbelts as we venture into Midjourney version 5. Section 1: Unveiling multi-prompts. If you spot a prompt with a double colon in Midjourney, you have stumbled upon a multi-prompt. Today, we'll demystify these intriguing prompts and uncover why they are not used as often. But first, what are they? Multi-prompts separate your prompt into distinct sections, giving you more control over the generated image. It is like having multiple prompts within one. Section 2: Mastering Prompt Formatting and Weights. Formatting is key when using multi prompts. Simply enter your first prompt, add a double colon, and space before the next prompt. Optionally, you can assign weights to control the importance of each section. Higher weights mean more emphasis. If weights are not added, all the sections are treated equally. However, adding a number after the double colon assigns more importance to the concept. If no number is added, the weight defaults to 1. And don't worry, multi-purpose prompts work across various Midjourney versions like Niji and Midjourney 5. Section 3: Best Practices and Use Cases. Why use multi prompts? They are perfect for scenarios with multiple distinct subjects or concepts you want to keep separate. For instance, if you want both a girl and the vastness of space in your prompt, multi prompts ensure each gets its dedicated image before blending them together. Balancing weights is crucial, as too much emphasis on one element might overshadow the rest. Higher numbers indicate that a section will be considered more important in the prompt. The specific numerical values don't matter. What's crucial is their relative relationship to each other. Remember that the weights apply to the phrase that precedes the double colon. Shifting the weight from the blue tree to the black horse demonstrates the impact on the generated image, but it is a delicate balance. Overemphasizing on one element can cause the other to disappear completely. The default weight is 1, but you can assign less weight by using zero point 0.5 or make something more important by assigning a weight of 2 or more to the relevant field. When combining different multi-prompts, you also have the option to apply negative weights to the specific parts of your prompt. A negative weight tells the AI what you want to avoid in the generated image. A weight of negative zero point 0.5 is equivalent to using the dash dash no parameter. But using a negative weight allows you to use higher negative values for weighting. If you use negative weights, it is essential to balance them with the positive weights so that the total weight of the entire image remains positive. When dealing with prompts that sum close to zero, the resulting images may appear slightly unusual, but sometimes that is precisely what you are aiming for. Utilizing multi prompts with appropriate weights can be helpful if Midjourney appears to overlook certain aspects of your prompt. When dividing your prompt, ensure that each section functions as a complete prompt. The AI may struggle to comprehend a single random word, leading to drastic changes in the generated image. Section number 4: Avoiding overuse. While multi prompts can be powerful tools, they are not always necessary. Midjourney's improved language understanding in version 4 and 5 often produces accurate results without the need of multi prompts. Simpler prompts with well described details might suffice for many projects without the added complexity of multi prompts. Section number 5: Image Weights. Beside text prompts, you can also weight image prompts to fine tune the AI's understanding. Adding an image weight parameter dash dash IW and number between 1 to 2 amplifies the impact of the image on the generated artwork. For more control over individual images, use multi prompts after your images and assign weights accordingly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to multi prompts in Midjourney. Armed with this knowledge, you can wield even more creative control over your AI generated images. Remember, use multi prompts wisely and let the AI's improved language understanding work its magic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's make something amazing in Midjourney.